Hey, it's Jared Experience Vlog. I just want to do a short vlog. It's been raining a lot here in Jacksonville. I just want to show you the park. This is the infamous park where I crashed my drone. Gonna have to get out of here kind of fast. Here it is. Yeah, just look at that, man. Isn't that crazy? Alright. Join y'all a couple days. I'll do another one of these. But I just thought this was kind of interesting. Look at that. That's all rain. Look at that. Alright. Anyway. I'm gonna get back to my car. I'm probably not supposed to be parked here. So, alright. Thanks for watching, guys. And check out my stand-up video too. So, alright. Bye.